Hi guys, let's understand what is the basic of a Linux command. It's not about Linux command, it's about any command in any operating system, but this demonstration will happen in the Linux. So here it's a fresh install, it's not a fresh install, but yeah, it's a Linux Mint. Just a similar kind of flavor like Ubuntu. Let's open the terminal. Okay, so what is actually a Linux command? Linux command, whenever you are talking with any operating system, you generally use different types of commands, and generally the commands are run on a terminal. Like in Windows, there is a command prompt is there. In Linux, it's called terminal, or also in Mac operating system, it's called terminal. So, so today we'll understand what is actually a Linux command and how you can create your own command. Because sometimes you build your own softwares and you require to create a command. Like you generally, if you look building a server, you are generally given a command to start, stop the server, all these things. So generally, so we will not go that beyond that. We'll just see what is a command, how and how you create your own simple commands. So here it's a Linux terminal, and this terminal generally accepts commands. Like if I'm giving clear, so clear is a command, it is to clear the screen. ls is a command to list out some files and directories. Similarly, there are a lot many commands, like cp is a command to copy a file. Similarly, touch is a command to create a file. Let touch letter.txt, we are able to create a file called letter.txt. So these are the commands touch. Similarly, if you give ls-l, you are giving some option to a particular command to do some more operations. Like ls is listing the files, and ls-l, it's a long listing of files like this. So basically, what is a command? Because if I type something, let hello, this thing hello cannot be found in the following package, or means it's not a command. So write hi, it is saying hi command not found. Means means it's not recognizing hi is a command. So whenever typing anything in any of the command prompt, it is tried to recognize this as a command, and sometimes it is saying command not found, means it's not able to recognize this thing, so it is saying command not found. So what it is trying to recognize, so that is the basic of a command. So what is a command? Command is means when you are giving a clear, it is doing something. So in Linux or Windows or any operating system, generally programs or executable files do something. Similarly, here clear or ls or any of the command generally are some executable programs. But even if I have executable, let I'll create a directory here. Mkdir is a command. Mkdir let demo is a directory, and I go into this demo directory. Okay, and here let I create a program. Let I'm creating a general program from a C file. Let I'm writing a simple program here. If you have a basic knowledge of C, that's okay, or else just watch out. I'm just writing a simple program to print hello world. So this is a file, C source file, and I'm going to give a create a executable file, because I cannot run this. This is a source file. So this is, let I'm creating a program name is let test command from main.c. So if you'll see here, there is a test command file is created, and actually it's a executable file. So I can run test command, and it's printing hello world. So it is doing something, so it's a executable file. If you'll see ls-l, you can see this file having some executable permission, and it has the capacity to do something, so that is a executable file. So let's go back, and here when I'm typing clear it's working, but when I'm typing test command it's not working. It's showing command not found because test command is not here. Test command is in the demo directory. So if I'll give /demo and test command, so it is able to run. But see, when I'm typing clear I don't know where this clear is present, but it is running. But I'm writing test command, so it's not running. It's showing command not found, though it is a executable file and present in somewhere. So that's why, what is a command? Command is nothing, it's just a executable file present in standard path. So command is a executable file in standard path. So here two things come into picture. So what is the executable file? I already explained you, and now we have to understand what is a standard path. So what is a standard path? In every operating system, some paths are given to operating system. So whenever you are typing anything here, operating system generally sorts any of the executable file in this name in those standard paths. In Windows, if we'll go to the my computer, if you right click, go to the environment variables, you will see there is a path environment variable is there. Similarly, in Windows or Linux operating system, there is a environment variable called path is configured to keep what are the standard paths for this. So what is it? So if you want to see all the environment variables, you can type env and enter, and you can see there are a lot of environment variables are configured here. And if you see, there is somewhere there is a path environment variable. So if you see, there is a path equal to something is written here. So this is a path environment variable. And what is the value of this variable? So this path environment variable having some string means the directory paths separated by colon. So whatever these paths are there, generally when you will type anything in this command prompt, it will try to find out, try to search that file in these locations, and if it will find it, it will try to execute it. Then it will behave like a command. So what I'll do, see, test command is here and it's not able to run because test command is in demo directory. So if you see demo, in demo directory test command is present. And I'll show you what is the path echo. So if you want to see only the path environment variable, you can give echo $path. It will show you only the value of the path environment variable. So here you can see there are many paths, around 6 to 7 paths are configured here, and I can take to any of the path and you will see what are the commands there. Like see, so clear is the command, so it should be present in any of these path. So if you type which clear, it will show you in which path it is there. So if you see /usr/bin, and if you see anywhere /usr/bin is configured here. So you can see, so this path is now is a standard path. So if I'll go to cd/usr/bin, you can see all the commands are here. Like you can see ls clear, so clear is a file is there. So if I'll change the clear to something else, like I can rename it clear to, let's see, ls. It's showing permission denied because I required some super user permission. So let's go to this. Now I change the file. So ls clear, now there is no clear is not there, so cls is there. So now you can see anywhere if I'll give clear command will not work, but cls will work. So now cls is the command. Now again move back, I'll just change the cls to clear because my system should work proper. So now clear is working. Similarly, if I'll move my test command to any of the standard path, it will work. Like if I want to go to the old directory, So here inside the demo the file is there, so go to the demo directory and I'll just want to copy. So I have to give sudo cp paste command to /usr/bin or any of the standard path listed there. So I just copied it, so I can go to any directory or something and I can just test command. If I type, it will run. So now test command is a executable file and also it's in present in standard path, so it's a command. So what I can do, I just remove this /usr/bin test command. I require some sudo permission for this. I removed it. So now test command will not work. Okay, but test command is here, so I can run test command like this, but I'm giving the path. But if I'll see, my current directory is not listed in that path environment variable, that's why it's not a command. So what I can do, I just wanted to add this path to standard path so that my command will behave, my test command executable will behave like a command. So what I can do, so just what I can do, I just want to add the path and this path to the environment variable. So for that there is a command called export path equal to, I want to change the path environment variables value to whatever there, dollar path means whatever value is there. I just give a colon and I have to add this home slash Sundra slash demo. So I just added it. So if I'll give echo dollar path to check what is the value now, this path is added to this. So now if I'll give test command, it will work. I can go to any directory and cd slash home, then I can give any directory and give this command, it will work. So command is nothing, just executable file present in standard path, and this will work in all the type of operating systems, the similar concept. And one more thing, see, I have added this path to the path environment variable. Now I close the terminal and I'll reopen it. When I'll reopen, I'll give paste command, it will not work because that command export path is equal to dollar path. This command generally will work only for the same session in the terminal, but it will not work when your terminal restarts. For to permanently add a path, there are many options. When system starts, you can add it, or there are many options are there. One of the options is very easy, like what you can do, you just go to the home directory, just put cd then enter, nothing else. Then if you'll see here ls-l list out all the files, there is a bus rc file will be there, no, vi dot bus or bus rc. This should present in all the 9 Linux operating systems. vi dot bus, what is this bus history? Oh, this is just history. What I can do, or else you can create your own .bus rc file, vi dot bus rc if it is not there, and just write the same thing, export path is equal to dollar path colon slash home slash surendra slash demo. I think this was the directory, right? ls slash home surendra demo, right? Yeah, fine. So it is added. Let's exit the terminal and try to open one more time and type test command. Yeah, it's working. So the basic is, in generally in all the Linux operating system, this .bus rc is generally present. If it is not present, you just create one and it will work, and add your export things into that, it will work. In Windows, when you check for the Windows, In Windows, there will, when you go to the environment variable, you can add it permanently, or else similarly export command will work in the terminal. Not export, there maybe there is a command is set env is a command to set the environment variables value. Okay, so hope this will clear your basic understanding of a command in your operating system. Thanks guys for watching.